Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Patricia and I am on here today to give you all of the Scentsy tea. So Scentsy has so much going on. So we're talking about now through the holidays. So I just wanted to jot it all down, grab a whole lot of pictures to let you guys see, because you got to see what is coming. Okay, so let's just get into it because we got a lot to get through. So first of all, The Nightmare Before Christmas. If you love the movie, you're gonna love this warmer, and let's take a look at it. This warmer is going to be everything. If you're one of those people that love to decorate for the holidays, decorate for Halloween, if you're not one of those people, but you know people that have to have their house on point for Halloween, that warmer is going to be a must. Okay, so in the last video, I told you that Scentsy was partnering up with Marvel Comics, so take a look at the warmer that's coming out. The Darth Vader warmer. Once again, everything. I know you're tired of hearing me say that, but come on, Darth Vader, really? And the scent is going to be amazing that goes along with it. Scentsy is also coming out with some new ways to fragrance your home, your office, wherever you want to take fragrance with you. So we got some new ways coming down the pike. So the first one is the fragrance flower. So the fragrance flower is like your oil rediffuser. So it's made in flower form. Your oil goes into the container and then the scent travels up and it's displayed through the beautiful rose petals. That's going to be amazing. This is going to be great for any space where you don't have an outlet, or a small space. Like I'm thinking a bathroom, like my son's bathroom would be awesome, our bathroom. So this flower is just gonna change the game, and you're gonna be able to put fragrance in places where you never thought you could before, and you don't have to worry about a plug. And did I mention the scent lasts up to 90 days? So pink cotton, in case you don't know what it smells like, I will put the notes below. You're missing out on life if you don't know about this fragrance. It's coming out in body care. Shimmer. Now I told you in my last video, if you didn't see it, I'll link it above, that I was a little verklempt over shimmer going away in the wax form. But guess what? It's coming out in laundry. So now your laundry is going to get to smell like that beautiful, elegant, sexy fragrance of shimmer. I can't wait to get it. The cleaning products are coming out in a brand new scent. We have Go-Go Mango. And you know there's just going to be a slew of awesome warmers, but I just wanted to point out one of them, and that is going to be the Tinkerbell warmer, and this is for the Make-A-Wish Foundation. That warmer is so pretty, and then when you look down at the top of it, you can see Tinkerbell, and the proceeds are going to go to the Make-A-Wish Foundation. So it's a wax warmer with a cause. Who doesn't love that? So you thought that the only way you could bring fragrance into your car was with a scent circle or with the car clips, right? Scentsy has brought out another way to put fragrance in your car, and that is going to be with the car clips. And now there's even another way that you can add Scentsy fragrance to your home, and that is with the wall fan diffusers. So you just plug it in, there's a little fan in it that shoots the fragrance wherever you want it to go. There is no bulb involved. So for you guys that have wanted your Mickey Mouse and your Minnie Mouse warmers, I know there have been a ton of people that have been wanting warmers that actually have a character on them. Check out the next picture. And Scentsy is not stopping at your house smelling good, your laundry smelling good, your dishes smelling good. Now your pets can smell good too. Check out the next picture. So now Scentsy has a pet line, and in that pet line is a shampoo, a detangler, and also a deodorizing spray. The ingredients in these are approved, so they are not going to be harmful to your pets, because we all know that your pets lick themselves. So you have nothing to worry about there. They are not harmful to pets, and your pets are going to smell great. So I just wanted to come on, share some pictures with you guys, tell you about all the new that is coming. And the reason why I wanted to do it now, way ahead of time, is because I know a lot of people start shopping early for Christmas. I mean, we're in August already. It is the 8th month of the year. Christmas is like coming on us quick. So personally, I'm starting to become that person that starts shopping here and there for people, because it just makes it so much easier at the end of the year. You don't have to run around like a chicken with its head cut off, you know, in December or the last couple of weeks, scrounging looking for stuff. You've already got stuff tucked away, and then by the time holidays roll around, you're just ready to start giving gifts. So you'll be seeing all these things on my timeline. I'll be doing videos on them, but I just wanted to point out all the great things that are coming. Be on the lookout for it. If you have any questions about anything you've seen, just go ahead, shoot me a DM, or just jot something below and let me know. So as always, thank you for watching. Please remember to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.